Come get swept off your feet with our Les Romantique Deluxe Collector's Edition. This collection is filled with gorgeous butterflies, beautiful brides, handsome grooms, and stunning florals. I'm Amy with Graphic 45, and I'll be giving you a tour of our latest collection. So in the Les Romantique Deluxe Collector's Edition pack, you're going to get 24 double-sided sheets, so 12 different designs and 2 of each. And of course, with every Graphic 45 collection, we have that signature page that sets the theme for the line. And you can see we have these gorgeous pastel pink roses that are setting the tone for the line, as well as our beautiful brides and a dapper gentleman down there. So lots of fun cut-apart pieces on that signature page. And on the B side of the signature page, you also get these beautiful butterflies that are done in that really beautiful pastel light aqua. The second paper in the line is called Tender Missives, and Tender Missives is this beautiful postage paper that has these little roses in there to use as cutting apart for borders or different accent pieces, and then a nice decorative pink pastel on the B side. Then we have Love's Labyrinth, and this is one of my favorites in this line. It has those big chunky roses that are great for fussy cutting with that really beautiful blue, aqua blue background. And then on the back it has a nice pattern that says Les Romantique. My Beloved has this beautiful pearl paper on the A side, and then on the B side it's kind of a toile with these lovely brides. A lot of beautiful brides on that page. And this is great for not only weddings, but also just romance and just really soft and feminine. And this is Daydreams. Daydreams has a lot of fun little hat imagery, and then on the back, a nice deep black with a floral pattern. And then Sweetheart of Mine is a really great and useful cut-apart paper where you could cut apart a lot of these different square and rectangle images and make card toppers, perfect for Valentine's Day or anniversaries. Enamored Embrace has this cute little couple slow dancing. The nice deep background for a B side. And we have Celebration, gorgeous black and cream stripe with a nice decorative pattern on the back side. Very usable papers to complement your projects using this collection. Then we have Key to My Heart. Key to My Heart has all of these fun keyholes and keys to be used. Perfect for cards, accents. And this paper is just great. It's called Well Groomed, and this is perfect for those gentlemen's cards. So if you're wanting to make your sweetheart a card or an album, you can use a lot of these different elements from this well-groomed paper. Sending Flowers. Sending Flowers has this really usable A and B side for background pieces. And then Devoted. This Devoted has these beautiful frame pieces that you can cut apart and use throughout minis or cards. Great for men and women. So those are the 12 papers in the collection. In the collection pack, you're also going to get these beautiful chipboard pieces that will add dimension to all of your Les Romantique projects. And you have to love these little accent pieces, these little buttons here that have the die cut out holes, as well as all these different tags. And then of course the beautiful frame in the top corner there. You'll also get a sticker set that comes with 2 6x12 unique stickers that have a lot of different goodies to use to adorn those romantic, Les Romantiques projects. So many great options here. And this one has the border sheet, as well as some stickers with frames and just different sizes for all of those different needs. And just to share a few projects using the Les Romantiques collection, we have this beautiful framed decorative piece that Annette Green created, and she's made it with featuring our gorgeous pink flowers with the roses there on the cover. And then inside she has this beautiful wedding photo, and then you can just set that out on a mantelpiece. So just look how beautiful that is. Also have a gorgeous card by Ginger Ropp, my sister's scrapper, and she has created a fun easel card that you can position standing up, so a great mantelpiece as well. And she's also used those pink roses that go perfectly with the line. Love that. And then finally, we have this gorgeous piece by Sandy Nagel, Decorate Your Life, and she has created this beautiful gate opening piece that has inside, you can put a notebook in here, as well as there's some like note cards here, as well as over here there are some little cards that she's created, as well as a tag, just really showcasing the Les Romantiques collection using all of the papers, and just you can see how beautifully they coordinate together. And it has that gorgeous closing, as well as some of the roses, some keys on the front. Just a beautiful job. So thanks so much for joining me. And if you want to check out our website at g45papers.com, you can see all of these beautiful products online, as well as your local scrapbook store. Thanks. Bye.